Gal, G Hill, J Crew. This what you wanted, Green, right? Let me give it to him right quick. Why they wanna hate me? Is it cause they ain't me? And I stand tall like the head that's on Buckley. Niggas saying fuck me, probably wanna tuck me under the ground, laying me down like a smucky. So I must be hungry and I must be shoulders to the wall, so I brush them when they dusty. Doing this for Dusty, Brian Rain and Huskies, facts, Mills G, trouble, smooth, trust me. Niggas sticking up the place like he busted. He thinking he can speak with bass cause he husky. Get him, show him the real cause he don't know. He a bitch and we gon' make it show. See, I got a head full of steam and it got my blood rolling. Fake niggas getting by, see, cause they pulling over me. I don't fool with them, give them the backside. I ain't gon' smile in your face trying to slap fire. Keep stepping like he posted before this nigga go postal. Give me the rock, we on the block like we posted. Now we off coasting, lead them to war. Defeat is not an option, that ain't in my blood. The thugs say I'm hot, you're not. When we gon' drop, Gorilla Hill, the niggas, they gotta go to the top. I'm moving at the drop of a dime. If I see it drop, I gotta go get it. Ain't no more moving without a Nazi. I'm true to this here. You new to this here. Just getting the buzz and it's new in this year. I'm the most anticipated nigga in the hood. On the beats, I'm a beast. Ain't a nigga this good. You niggas just fools. Throwing up words. If rap compared to crack, then I'm throwing up herbs. Rolling up herbs. Look at how I chain smoke. Throw it on the track. Now we call it train smoke. Nigga, holla back. Bitches in the same boat. Nigga, that's back. And you can let them lanes know. That is Kruger, the MC Kruger. Lead rappers blue in the face like he a Hoover. Send about two to his face or his medulla. Nigga, I maneuver straight through the lane, go uptown. What now? I'm doing my thing. A lot of niggas say they rapping, but I do it with flames. Fuck them niggas, man.